Have you ever wondered if the onion peels you throw away every day could actually make your plants grow faster, greener, and healthier? Yes. Those simple onion skins are a powerful natural fertilizer, completely free, and perfect for any plant. Hello friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn onion peels into one of the best organic fertilizers for your plants. And trust me, after using this, your plants will never stay weak again. Onion peels are loaded with potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. Now let's make the fertilizer. Take 1 handful of onion peels and add them to 1 liter of warm water. Let it soak for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. During this time, all the minerals from the onion skin dissolve into the water, creating a powerful natural tonic for your plants. After soaking, strain the water. Your onion peel fertilizer is ready. Use it to water your plants once a week. You can use it on flowering plants, indoor plants, vegetable plants, fruit plants, even succulents. Your plants will start showing greener leaves and stronger new growth within a few uses.